Hi Joe, hi David. Hope you're doing well. I just want to update about Mobern and want to inform that Mobern updated their website to new features, and I think they updated also the URL links for spec sheets and landing page of product item because uh, I already put the links before, but they updated their website, so I have doubt that other links here like this is cannot be viewed now because it says the internet site reports that the item you requested could not be found. But before, when I click this, I can view this link. Also, I noticed that uh, they keep improving their new website. Uh, some some image of the item is like this, thumbnails, and then the model numbers like this. They put question mark. Uh, they put image, but the link cannot be clicked like this one. Uh, and I see this SPP square, for example, this. Before I have link of this spec sheet, this one. Series SPP square. But in their new website, the SPP square link, there's no link, and also in their spec sheet, I noticed that some category of the alphabet has no model numbers for their spec sheet. Here are sample like this one, sky, cannot be clicked. SPP square, but I am confused because I can view the spec sheet that I made before in Mobern, but now how can I explain this? I can search that item in the spec sheet for the model number. Also for the landing page cannot be clicked, but other item here you can view their landing page. That's why I need to update the sidebar of uh, Mobern tab. They still I think they still working in their new website, and some technical errors. Please advise. Thanks.